What happens when the most powerful technology in human history collides with our oldest search for meaning? We are currently living through the boom of spirit tech. Across the globe, people aren't just using artificial intelligence to write emails or code. They are using it to pray, to meditate, and to find spiritual guidance. From AI-generated sermons and digital prayer bots to algorithmic astrology that predicts your daily mood, the line between software and spirituality is completely blurring. But as we outsource our emotional labor and moral questions to algorithms, sociologists are asking a massive question. Are we just upgrading our faith, or are we replacing human connection with digital companionship? To understand the spirit tech boom, we have to look at how Gen Z and millennials view authority. Over the last decade, trust in traditional, institutional religion has plummeted. But the desire for spiritual direction hasn't disappeared. It just migrated. We have traded institutional authority for algorithmic authority. People are more likely to take life advice from a hyper-niche TikToker, a YouTube video essay, or a customized AI chatbot than from a local community leader. The algorithm feels all-knowing. It feeds you exactly what you need to hear, exactly when you need to hear it, creating a perfectly tailored, frictionless spiritual experience. And that lack of friction is exactly where the danger lies. Real human communities, whether it's a church, a mosque, a temple, or just a tight-knit friend group, are messy. People disagree, they let you down, and they force you to grow through conflict. AI companionship and spirit tech apps completely remove that human friction. You get all the dopamine of feeling understood, without any of the messy emotional labor required to actually love another human being. Experts are warning that by treating AI as an infallible spiritual guide, we are deepening the exact loneliness epidemic that we are trying to cure. This is creating a massive divide in how institutions react. Some tech-forward churches and spiritual groups are leaning in, using AI to manage congregations and write weekly messages, arguing that tech is just a tool to reach more people. Others are sounding the alarm, arguing that a machine cannot possess a soul, and therefore cannot guide one. The core debate of the next decade won't just be about whether AI will take our jobs, but whether it will fundamentally alter what it means to be human and connect it to something greater than ourselves. We are standing at the edge of a totally new frontier. If a machine can give you perfect moral advice and make you feel spiritually fulfilled, does it matter that it's just code? I want to know where you draw the line. Would you ever take spiritual or deep life advice from an AI? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and subscribe for more cultural deep dives.